Ever wonder why some professionals can get great results from ChatGPT in one try while others keep tweaking and reworking their prompts? It's not about luck, it's about having the right technique. In this video, we'll explore the powerful CIDI framework designed to help you master prompt engineering and boost your productivity with AI.
Will I become an engineer?
Yes, if you listen to me carefully, you will elevate yourself from a prompt craftsman to a prompt engineer. Here's the problem. Most people use ChatGPT like a basic assistant. They ask vague questions, take the first response, and then keep tweaking their prompts, hoping for better results. This hit or miss method wastes time and leads to inconsistent outcomes. Without a clear structure, every task feels like starting over, slowing down your progress and holding back your productivity.
I faced it too.
I know, many people do. The CIDI framework solves exactly this. It's a systematic way to build prompts that consistently produce high-quality outputs from ChatGPT, saving you massive amounts of time and significantly boosting productivity. Let's break down this framework clearly. Step 1. Context. Clearly define the real-world role you want ChatGPT to take on based on your goal. Do you want it to act as a writer, a painter, or an investigator? For instance, imagine you want an effective summary from top news articles in a certain way. Your context might be, you are an experienced research assistant, helping a corporate strategy team stay updated on current events. Your job is to read news articles and deliver concise, objective summaries tailored for executive briefings. Why this matters? Context ensures ChatGPT fully understands its role, drastically reducing irrelevant or off-track outputs. Now, what do I want this research assistant ChatGPT to do? This is what I'd say. Read the article provided below and generate a summary of no more than 150 words. Focus on the key facts, implications, and any data mentioned. Avoid opinionated or promotional language. This is step 2 of the CIDI framework, instructions. The more specific and direct you are, the better the output. Step 3, details. The specifics. This research assistant, while performing the job, may need some details from you to fine-tune the output. Write in a neutral, professional tone. Use bullet points if multiple key takeaways are present. Include the source name and publication date at the beginning of the summary. Now it understands the job, but just like any employee, your research assistant ChatGPT still needs raw input to perform. In this case, you want it to summarize an article from Wired. Now you have completed the last step. Step 4, input. Supply the data. Now that the prompt is ready, let's put it to the test. Here's the final prompt, crafted using the CIDI framework. Let's see how ChatGPT responds. And there it is. The output is exactly what we wanted. No further tweaking needed.
Hello? Hi, it's me again. Sorry, I was just wondering, isn't it, people say, too much of work?
Not at all. By clearly defining context, instructions, details, and input, you build a process that's repeatable, reliable, and scalable. You'll save a massive amount of time by dramatically reducing back-and-forth revisions. The best part, it scales beautifully. You can build your own prompt library in a simple Excel sheet. 6 columns: context, instructions, details, input, use case. Final prompt, a concatenated version of the CIDI elements. For example, we just walked through a use case for evaluating news articles, but you can create libraries for image generation, script writing, data analysis, interview evaluations, and more. Tomorrow, if you need to summarize a CNN article, just update the input. Copy the final prompt, paste it into ChatGPT. Done. And yes, you can share this prompt library with your team to boost everyone's productivity.
I like it.
Where are you going?
I am going to try it.